Hi everyone, it's Marla here, and today I decided to do a video that I've never done before, and that's a video of one of my thrift hauls. I haven't done a lot of thrifting lately. I quit a couple of months before Christmas because I have so much stash. I really felt like I needed to start working my way through some of it. And then for most of December, January, and February, I was in Los Angeles at my daughter's house. And there's only one little thrift store close to her that I actually go to. But yesterday was Wednesday, and that's senior day at Goodwill. Woohoo! I get the senior discount now. And it's a good discount, it's 40% off. And so I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna take some time, go check out a couple of Goodwills and see what they have. And I was so thrilled with my thrift haul that I thought, I wanna share this with my viewers. Then you get an idea of what I'm looking for when I go out thrifting so that I have stuff to upcycle and make videos from and to sell in my booth. So while I was standing in line at the first Goodwill, I looked up on the shelf and I saw these three pillars. I thought maybe they were candlesticks, but I look at the top and no, something was glued on there. And I really liked them, but I hadn't picked them up. They were up high on a shelf, and I just thought Goodwill's prices have gone up quite a bit, and they probably want too much for them. But I had time while I was standing in line, so I ran over and looked. And to my surprise, every one of them was marked $3.99, which I thought was a good price to begin with. But then I recognized that the tags were gray, and this week was a gray tag week, meaning everything with a gray tag was 50% off. So I had to have them. I picked up all three for $6. I also like to pick up things like this wood round. So I picked up this wood round and another one similar to it, a little bit bigger. I like to use these to make risers. This one was marked $1.99, but with my discount, it cost me $1.20. And so well worth the price. Here's another candlestick I picked up, a nice wooden one. And I take candlesticks like this, put a round on it like that, and voila, you have a beautiful riser. This candlestick, 99 cents. So for me, 60 cents, and it's made out of real wood. If you watched last week's video, you know that I like to do signs. I did a few for my garden, and I found this sign, "For You with Love." Love the way it was made with the wood. Nice little rusty, crusty heart here. And it's brand new. I will upcycle it. I'm gonna change the saying on the front for sure. But this cost me just over $2 for a brand new sign. Then I found an older sign, T for Two. I think it's very cute, but it reminds me of some of the stuff I did back in the 80s. I used to do some woodworking in the basement while my husband was working on stained glass. And I would make little signs like this where I painted them. And so I do like this one, but I need to update it. It definitely needs an update. This one also cost me just over $2. Whenever I see little galvanized containers like this, if they are cheap enough, I will pick them up because they're fun to upcycle. You can do so many things with them. I'm imagining a plant in this one because it's spring and I like to garden. 99 cents, so for me it was 60 cents. I also found two additional wood candlesticks. And again, the prices at Goodwill were pretty high in the past. Like this might have been $7 or $8. But yesterday it was marked $3.99, 40% off. This one marked $2.99, 40% off. So a great price for those. I also picked up this little sign, I couldn't resist it. Then Sings My Soul. Don't know if I'll upcycle it or leave it. I kind of like that saying. This was 99 cents, so I paid 60 cents. Now, a long time ago, I really wanted to be a skinny girl. And so I kind of fell into that trap where I was drinking skinny girl cocktails, that sort of thing. But I think I came to the realization as I got older that I probably was not meant to be a skinny girl. And I was pretty happy with the way I was anyway. But I picked this up because what a great recipe box this is going to make. marked $1.99 with a gray tag, so $1 for that box. Picked up a wooden round like this. Was looking, I found a couple more similar to it. Let's see, this one was $1.20. These were 60 cents. I got 2 of these and thought, well, maybe I could make some sort of architectural detail out of this. I watched a video yesterday, Ginger Chick Rehab, where she took rounds and built this beautiful piece that looked like old architectural salvage. And so when I saw these and the price was right, thought, maybe I'll try that. Something else that I'm always picking up are frames. I love to add beautiful decoupage papers to them. This is an older frame. You can tell by the fading on the back and the old wire, but it's a nice frame. It's made out of wood. The price on it was $3, so for me, $1.80. And I can't wait to upcycle this with some chippy milk paint and then find the perfect picture to put inside. Speaking of frames, I also picked this one up for $1.20. Has some nice detail in it. I like to upcycle these as well. Usually don't leave them gold, but occasionally I do. Here's another nice wooden frame. The back fell out of it, but that's okay. $1.99, but gray tag, so I spent $1 on this one. And that's gonna be great. All it needs is a coat of chippy milk paint and a cute little picture of a bunny or something in there. And I do have a video coming out Tuesday that I think is gonna be all about bunnies. And so check it out when it comes out. You might see that frame in there. Here's another frame I picked up for $2.40. Wood. I love the flat surface because sometimes I like to add molds to the frame, and these surfaces lend themselves very well to adding a mold or two up there. There's my other wood round. And then I found this. When I was checking out, the gentleman who was checking me out read it, or started to read it, and he said, "There's too many words for the recipe for a happy marriage." He said, "All you have to do is just listen to your wife," which I thought was cute. I like it. It has a little heart, which is kind of 80s, but I hear they're coming back. Nice and blank on the back side, so I'll probably leave it like that on the back and just paint over this, and maybe a decoupage paper or something would be great on that. Another frame that I picked up, this one is heavy. It's made out of metal. I don't know how well you can see the detail there, but you can see that it was $5, but gray tag, so $2.50, and it's brand new. You can set it on a table or hang it with the wire. I think in total at one Goodwill store I spent about $8, and at the other Goodwill store $24. So for $32 I bought everything that I've shown you. Now there is one other piece that I want to share with you. I picked it up, today's Thursday, sorry, things are falling on the floor. Today's Thursday, and so I did this good haul yesterday on Wednesday because that's the 40% off day. But on Tuesday, I went to the grocery store and there was a Salvation Army very close to it. And I had received a text message with 25% off from Salvation Army on one regularly priced item. And so I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna go in and see what they have. And they had a little sign that I liked, so I picked it up for a couple of bucks, but I didn't see a whole lot. And then I walked around the corner and I saw what looked like a giant Lazy Susan, and as it turns out, it is a beautiful giant Lazy Susan made out of the top of a wine barrel. And I absolutely fell in love with that. I thought, oh, it's so heavy. I have to have this. It is absolutely gorgeous. And I looked at the price. It was down on the bottom shelf, and I thought it said $19.99, $20. And I thought, well, with the discount, $15. I don't know. But I looked closer, and actually, the tag said $9.99. And so $7.50. Now, originally, they had marked it for $25, and no one bought it. I think part of the reason is because if you look closely, you can see in the center of this, there is the letter K. And so unless that's your initial, I can see where some people wouldn't have wanted it. I probably would have bought it anyway because it's easy to cover up that letter K. But for me, it was perfect because my last name starts with a K. And so I grabbed it and got out of there as fast as I could. So anyway, that's my thrift haul. As I said, I've never done one of these videos before. I hope you enjoy it. And if you check out my video on Tuesday, I have a feeling that you're going to see quite a few of these items in that video. For now, have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week. Bye.